guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a fantastic day. Y'all, today we have a very awesome project share. Stay tuned. Everyone to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by and spend a few minutes with me. Today is going to be a very quick one because we're doing a project share. But before we jump into that, I want to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you to everyone who has been supporting my channel. I really do appreciate it. Do you guys remember the video in which we made this? And I gave you a few ideas on ways that you could use this. Well, today I'm going to do a project share and show you one fabulous way that you can take this that you made and turn it into some absolutely beautiful autumn home decor. And so here's what I'm talking about. We made this beautiful autumn basket, but now this autumn basket becomes a centerpiece or a piece of home decor. What I did here is I actually went through my stash. Nothing that I have in this basket was bought this year. All of it is from my stash, and I went through my stash and I pulled out some of my little scarecrows, bow, scarecrow here in the front, and I decided just to put them all in this basket and turned it into this awesome piece of home decor. So simple to do. All you need is a piece of styrofoam or floral foam to put in the bottom, and then you start placing your pieces as you would want them to be. So I zoomed in a little more, so hopefully you can get a better look at this. Guys, this is full. And I'm estimating that everything that I have on the inside here, it's probably about $10 to $12 worth of items on the inside, and then the cost of actually making the little basket here. But this is just one of the fun things that you can do with this basket once you make it. And remember, we made it out of chipboard, so we are able to make up bunches of these if we want. And you can make these for sale at your craft fair, you can make them to give away, or you can make them to keep as home decor. So I'm going to give you guys one final look at this beauty because we have pumpkins, autumn flowers, our scarecrows, and it's just so gorgeous. It is absolutely breathtaking. So one more look at this, and maybe it will inspire you to do the same or something similar with your own. So I hope that you've liked this quick project share, and if you have, and if you plan on making some of these, leave me a comment in the description box below and let me know how you intend to use your basket once you make it. So in case you missed the video on how I actually made this autumn basket before I ever put anything in it, I am going to have that video linked below so that you'll have full instructions on how to make the basket, and then you can fill yours, because y'all know what? This is truly in any season, any reason, any gender type gift. All you do is change the paper, change what you have on the inside. This is perfect for Christmas, perfect for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, totally up to you. So as always, please be safe, be kind, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.